Assalamualaikum, ich bin Usman und ich lerne die deutsche Sprache. Ich bin aus Pakistan. I am Usman. I am from Pakistan and I am learning German language. This is our day 25 of German language speaking challenge. And in this day I have an ayah from Surah Al-Baqarah and 4 sentences that I will speak randomly and then I will rectify myself. इस दिन में हमारे पास एक आयत है सूरह बकरा से और 4 सेंटेंसेस हैं जिन्हें मैं बोलूँगा रैंडमली और फिर उनको ठीक करूँगा ताकि हम लोग मिल के कुछ सीखें जर्मन लैंग्वेज के बारे में. So ayah number 8 from Surah Al-Baqarah is Und manche Menschen sagen, wir glauben an Allah und an den jüngsten Tag. Doch sie sind keine Gläubigen. Gläubigen means believer, jüngsten Tag means last day, doch means but. Allah says in Quran that there are some people who say that we believe in Allah and the last day, but actually they are not believers. Allah Ta'ala कुरान मजीद में फरमाते हैं कि सूरह अल-बकरा 2 आयत नंबर 8 में कि कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो कहते हैं कि हम लोग अल्लाह पर और आखिरत के दिन पर ईमान लाते हैं लेकिन एक्चुअली वो ईमान मोमिन नहीं होते हैं. ये था आयत and then there are 4 sentences randomly, then I will rectify myself. So we will learn about German language. So first sentence is I am unable to find a sentence. Ich bin unable. I am not sure about unable. Ich bin unable zum finden any sentence. Ich bin unable zum finden any sentence. So this is first sentence that really needs rectification. The second sentence is we sit on chair. Wir sitzen aus chair. I've forgotten what is chair in German language. Wir sitzen aus chair. Simply. Third sentence is I drink water. Ich trinke Wasser. And fourth sentence is the wall of challenge is high. Die Wand aus Herausforderung ist hoch. So अभी हम इन sentences को ठीक करते हैं ताकि हम लोग मिलके कुछ सीखें जर्मन लैंग्वेज के बारे में. I have corrected myself and some changes that have been made in these sentences are there. So first sentence I said in English was I am unable to find a sentence and I translated it in German language as Ich bin unable zum finden any sentence. It has to be corrected into a sentence as Ich kann keinen Satz finden. Here I am unable has to be translated in German language as Ich bin nicht or Ich bin keinen. In this context with Satz means sentence. With Satz we have to use Ich bin keinen. So actual sentence corrected form is Ich bin keinen Satz finden. Second sentence I said in English was we sit on chair and I translated it into German as Wir sitzen aus chair. It has to be changed into and corrected in as Wir sitzen auf einem Stuhl. Aus has to be changed into auf and with chair is Stuhl in German language we use einem. So actual corrected sentence is Wir sitzen auf einem Stuhl. Third sentence I said in English was I drink water and I translated it correctly. So it is Ich trinke Wasser. It is right. The wall of challenge is high is the fourth sentence and I translated it as Die Wand aus Herausforderung ist hoch. Herausforderung is error, it is wrong. It has to be changed into Herausforderung. Challenge is Herausforderung and aus Herausforderung has to be changed into der Herausforderung. So the actual corrected form is Die Wand der Herausforderung ist hoch. So this is actual and corrected form and I have definitely learned something from this challenge. Okay, next we will meet in the next challenge. Jazakumullah khair.